Today we're going to show you how you can check your water temperature using the thermopen. The thermopen is super simple to use. Simply extend the metal prong to turn it on and put it under your running hot water. You want your water to be running at about 50 degrees Celsius at the tap or 60 degrees at the cylinder to prevent the growth of nasty bugs such as Legionella bacteria, and no more than 55 degrees Celsius at the tap to avoid getting burned. Children are especially vulnerable. Depending on your cylinder, you may need an electrician or a plumber to help you adjust your thermostat. If your hot water tap is running too hot or too cold, have a chat to your plumber or your landlord about getting this fixed. If you're a Housing New Zealand tenant, get in touch with Housing New Zealand and they should be able to adjust your water temperature at the tap for you. Alternatively, you can check out kaingaora.gov.nz. If you've had your thermopen for a while and you want to check that it's reading temperatures correctly, you can calibrate it by having a glass of icy water and simply putting the thermopen into the ice water. It should be reading as close to 0 degrees as possible. Outlet plug protectors. As babies grow and become more curious about their surroundings, it's important to keep your child from accessing power outlets, as they can try to put items into the socket. For more information, check out Safekids Aotearoa.